Namaskar. Myself Sanjay Bhardwaj, Assistant Professor, Jagannath Institute of Education, JIMS, Greater Noida. My subject is Understanding Discipline and Subjects, and my topic is Data, Knowledge, and Information. Introduction. Many of us fail to differentiate between the concepts of knowledge and information. Sometimes we use both synonymously, but both are different in their nature and meaning. There is a connection between information and knowledge. Both these concepts are preceded by the understanding of data. Let us see the linkage among these concepts. What is data? Data is derived from the word datum, means fact. Data is a set of qualitative and quantitative values. Data is the raw facts and figures before they have been processed. The key facts are data can be alphanumeric characters, letters or numbers, sound or graphics. Data is raw facts before it is processed. Data has no meaning. Data can be defined as fact or description of a phenomena unless data is interpreted. It has very limited meaning or no meaning at all. For example, the data regarding the height or color of a person or data relating to different crop production in the country is in a year can have meaning when they are interpreted and understood in a given context. Therefore, raw data do not provide meaning about a phenomenon. Information. Information is known as when data is accurate and timely. Data is specific and organized for a purpose. Data is presented within a context that gives it meaning and relevance. Data can lead to an increase in understanding and decrease in uncertainty. It is called information. Data must be processed in context in order to give its meaning. Data is not equal to information, whereas knowledge is by the understanding of something acquired by experience and education. What is information? Information is the interpretation of data pertaining to a given context. It involves manipulation of the raw data to add meaning to the raw data. Many times we interpret it, correlate it, and differentiate it from other forms of available data. For example, height of the students in a particular class constitute the data. When we interpret them in relating to the heights of other students in the group, calculate the average height of the students in the class, compare them with the age of the students and find out how many of them are above the average height and how many of them are below the average. It means we are interpreting the data and getting information about the height of the students. Data is processed from information and information is processed into knowledge. What is knowledge? Knowledge is created by attaching meaning to the information. Information can be used as necessary medium or material to construct knowledge. Knowledge is information which has been processed by and integrated into existing structure. Dobbin, 1976, explains information is descriptive while knowledge is predictive. That provides the basis for the prediction of future with certain degree of certainty based on information about the past and present. It can be concluded that knowledge is created through a process of collection of information and attaching certain meaning to it for a particular purpose by human cognition, analyzing, synthesizing, and consolidating the data, linking it with personal experiences, connecting it with one's thinking and cognition, and presenting it in an understandable form are the processes involved in the construction of knowledge. Information itself is not knowledge, but it becomes knowledge when meaning is attached to it. Data. This is the example. Location coordinates of the cities across the globe because nothing is attached with it. It is only the data. When the information, the road distance and travel time from London to Manchester. In the previous image, the data means the only one point which can be seen on the globe. But if we calculate or measure the distance between the 2 points on the globe with time, it forms the information. In the case of knowledge, if we travel or experiences the traveler about the congestion points, halts, and shortcuts. That depends on the knowledge. He can avoid the congestion on the road or he can save the time. Example, data 46 and 54. These are the two numbers. And the information in it is scores of team 1 and team 2 respectively in a quiz, and the knowledge is team 2 1 because 46 and 54 are only the numbers and nothing is attached with it. And in the case of information, team 1 and team 2 has their individual scores, and on comparison we can see the second team who scored the 54 number or marks, he won. The example number 2, suppose we take an example. This is a number 101. The information is ask the channel number. This is only the information, and if we attach it with the any dish like Tata Sky or anything, that forms a knowledge. It means that knowledge means Sky number to input to get the Aaj Tak. Thank you.